Pigmentation. Are you suffering from postpartum pigmentation या post delivery आपको suddenly अपने face पे brown spots, melasma, pigmentation या hyperpigmentation appear करती हुई दिख रही हैं? 5 things that you need to do to reduce pigmentation right now. Firstly, whenever you step out in the sun, photo damage accelerates pigmentation. You must use a sunscreen when you step out. Secondly, you must hydrate your skin. The lesser you hydrate your skin, the more pigmentation will get aggravated and the darkness or the blackness will start to spread. Please ensure that you use a serum, a moisturizer or even a face oil suitable for your skin type for pigmentation reduction. In case you are using any creams given by your medical practitioner or a doctor, ensure to use some natural moisturizing agents, taking a break in between. Some yogic exercises that you can do for overall oxygenation. Face yoga cannot reduce pigmentation, but it can most definitely control pigmentation. My first exercise is the Kapalbhati pranayama, which is great for increasing our lung capacity and overall oxygenation. In this pranayama, we do forceful exhalations through our stomach out of our nose like this. Do this for 2 minutes every day. My next tip is microneedling or derma rolling at home. Yes, you can derma roll with the right precautions, right sterilization techniques to control pigmentation at home. You must definitely look at your nutrient supply. Boil some green leafy vegetables, steam them or boil them and make a green smoothie out of them. This smoothie, imagine so many leaves put into one little smoothie had for 1 whole month. You will start to see a drastic change in your pigmentation levels. Your skin will start to react correctly. Any photo damage or sun damage will also start to reduce because your own body collagen levels will start to increase. Apart from that, you could also look at photon therapy or red light therapy. There are amazing LED masks available in the market. You could use them at home for pigmentation correction. Now remember, when you are using the right set of face oils, tools, face yoga, breathing pranayama, or you are using LED photon therapy, be patient and consistent because consistency is key. Everything boils down to how regular you are for pigmentation correction. Signing off, Vibhuti Arora.